Hi everybody, Robbie, Parks Pasture Raised, and as you can see, are flooded this morning. We got over an inch of rain last night, and on top of the inch of rain that we already had, so ground's saturated. And chickens, I had fed them this morning. Their troughs are just barely above water. And there's their chicken houses and the tractor. There's Goosey. Goosey's happy today. And here are all the chickens that have gone to high ground. And they seem to be enjoying it. Water troughs got filled last night. Alright everybody, thanks for tuning in. See you later.